Listen, $19, a dynamic microphone that is going to improve the sound quality of your videos, your podcast, your game overlays, your live streams, whatever, right? So, you're wondering, man, should I buy this microphone? Fifine, let me see the box, I forgot the name. The K6. Well, let's talk about what was in the box, right? In the box, it came in like this. Right here was the microphone, and right here was the cable. 15 feet, 1/4 inch cable, TRS to XLR. 14 feet. The microphone is hooked up to my mixer right now, and I have pre-equalized it. Okay, condenser microphone versus dynamic. I am a microphone addict. I have been around microphones mostly all of my life, and I love dynamic microphones. Condenser microphones are great. They have better full quality. That's what they use in recording studios. But for live performances, you want to use, well, everybody uses a dynamic microphone. It's a common sense. You might ask why. Well, dynamic microphones picks up the sound right here, and it picks up less right here, like barely. You can barely hear me. But if I get closer to the microphone, you can hear me way better. But if I move away from the microphone, you might not even hear me anymore, right? So this is where these microphones shine. Dynamic microphones. So if you are a live streamer, right, you want to be live streaming, you want to be talking to your audience and whatnot, you really don't want the sound of your computer fans in the microphone. Then you might have to use, in OBS, you might have to use a filter to cut back background noise, and half of the time is going to be cutting back your own voice, so you're going to sound terrible, if you know what I mean. So this is where these microphones shine. Dynamic microphones. Now this microphone is $19.99, and it includes a 15 feet cable. Like I said, I'm going to show you right now. All right, I'm using this other microphone. It has a mono TRS cable. It's not stereo because it's just mono, right? If you're an audiophile guy like me, you all know what I'm saying. Mono versus stereo. If you don't know the difference, go ahead and look it up on YouTube. Pause this video and then come back. Also, from mono TRS, it goes to the 3-pin XLR for microphones. Now, the cable, it's not made out of high quality, so eventually it's going to break. I have a feeling. I have had this microphone so far for a whole week now, and I have been using it, playing with my friends, playing PUBG. I ask them, do you like the sound of this microphone? Do you hear the difference? They hear nothing. This microphone sounds really damn good. Right now, I have it equalized. I'll show you guys here in the video. But I have the high, I have it on 3/4 of the way. The medium, I have it, I haven't touched it. It's medium. And the low is the same way. So now what happens if I bring the low minus 15? 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. That is the sound that you get right now. It's like much more clear, I think. So I put the bass back into my voice so I sound cool, if you know what I mean. Do you see this right here? Now you do. This here is a switch. This is very important for us streamers. For us that we play with friends online, sometimes you just want to sometimes you just want to quick mute your microphone. That's it. With a button, slide it down. So one thing that I noticed with this microphone is the pop, the versus the Sennheiser. Pop, 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 pop. Let me boost up the bass on it. Pop, pop. Now, pop, 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 pop. Video evidence speaks for itself. So this is the issue that I find with this microphone. How do I fix it? Pop, pop, pop. Way better. Way better. Go ahead and put one of these, right? That's it. Problem solved. For $19. Listen, $19. a dynamic microphone that is going to improve the sound quality of your videos, your podcast, your game overlays, your live streams, whatever, right? You get a little mixer, or you might already have a mixer, because if you don't have a audio USB mixer in nowadays 2018, you are way what? You're way behind. That's what I meant to say. This was your host, Sergio with Tech Over Clock. This microphone is great. Thumbs up to Fifine or Fifine or Fifine, however you want to call it. Thumbs up to you guys. So my message to Fifine: I would rather pay $4 more for your products if you add one of these things, right? Like so. It's better. Better. It's better. Better. Where am I going with these reviews, dude? I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like down below. Bye-bye.